how to reset your Facebook password if you forget it. Hello and welcome back, everybody. In this guide, we'll show you how we can do it. This works on a mobile phone and computer. So let's get started. We can start by opening up the Facebook app or facebook.com, any of the one that you prefer. And in order to reset password, it is very easy. So from this login page right here, we can look out for the forgot password option here and tap on it and head over to the next page. And what we can do next is we can enter up our email address or phone number in this box right here. So you can either enter up your mobile number. If you want to search by email, tap on search by email. After that, just go over and provide in your email address. Once it is done, you can tap on continue or search and it will show you the account that you have. You can just go over and view it up. And you will be getting a verification code. You need to enter it up either through your SMS, your phone number, or your email. You can enter the OTP sent by Facebook and create up a new strong password. If not this, we can go to facebook.com and log in into our previous account first. And then once we are logged in, we can just go over and look out for the profile option in the top left. I mean the menu option, and go to our settings and support. And within settings and support, go to settings and access our Facebook settings. And from here, go to account center. And there we can look out for the section called password and security and tap on it. And then we can go on with the process of changing password by tapping on this option called change password. After that, selecting our Facebook account and then typing in our new password. You can just go over and do so. If you have forgotten your password, you can tap on forgot your password and go on with the process of resetting your password that way as well. But usually these are the two methods you can follow up if you want to reset your Facebook password if you've forgotten it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.